I'm going to play for a second. Oh, it's starting. This is the first. Yo, I'm the killer! I'm the killer, guys. I'm the killer. I'm the killer. I'm the killer. I'm the killer. This is the first round, guys. And now I'm the killer. Killer, killer, killer. I'm the killer. Like a killer. Chill like a killer. Yo, mad kid. Yo, mad kid. Yo, I'm there. Bro, where's everyone? Bro, I don't even know you. Bro, can someone appear? I want a kill. Yo, so that. Bro, come here. Yo, come here. Yo, come here. Yo, I didn't kill him. Where is he? Yo, what the heck, bro? Go. No, I missed it, bro. No, the round will end. Bro, I hate this, bro. Bro, what they are super, bro. Oh, I know now. I know their abilities now. But I'll kill them. Kunai. But please, give me a kill, bro. Yay. Nah. Bro died. Yo, I have only one kill. That sucks, bro. Bro, I don't know to my bro. I can only make a video for like 10 seconds like that. Yeah. Yeah, it's 3 minutes, bro. I'm going to end in like 10 seconds or something. I cannot make a video at least 10 seconds. I mean 10 minutes. I forgot 10 whole minutes. Round starting. You're all John, go. My ability, bro. My character is 2 chance. Yeah, 2 chance. Yeah, 2 times. 2 times. Where is that? Where is that building, bro? Where's that building? Yo, there's the building. There's the building. There's the building. Ted! Yo, 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 yo. Yo. Bro, why? Bro, why I cannot jump? And I'm being poisoned. That's great, super great. Yo, noob. Yo, I'm dying, bro. I'm dying. I need a med kit. Bro, where's the med kit? Okay, I will prepare this one. Bro, it says 2 chance. What the heck? Bro, that's crazy. No. Bro, what was that? Bro. 2 chances, so yeah. I'll buy some characters. I have 600. Oh, the put up there. Survivor. Okay. I buy him. I like this one. She has a decoy, I think decoy. I don't know, bro. Yo, cameraman. Bro, cameraman is here. He's recording right now, bro. Yeah, cameraman. Yes, sir. Oh, wow, Ross. Skills. Colonia College. Teleports. Inject. What's this inject? Yo. For today's video, I'm going to hide her. Yo. Bro, 4. Bro, what happened to him? For this post. For this seat of generation. Donate to the generators. Yo, what was that? Oh, okay. Yo. I need to get away. Yo. Yo. Yo! Yo, no, bro. Yo, that's bro. Bro is a tryhard. Bro is a tryhard. Bro is light blue, bro. Oh, it's him. Yo! It's 10 seconds. We can play on another game. Yeah. If it's reached 15, I think I cannot play anymore. Yeah. If it reach 15 seconds, I cannot post in this in YouTube video. It's gonna be a short day. Good. I will do in part 1, like part 2, yeah. I like his skin, bro. I'm new in for second. Yo, 50 minutes. I think this is the end of the video, guys. Yeah. Yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. Bye, guys. See you next time in my next video. And please, can you please subscribe to my video, please? Please, can you subscribe to my video? Thank you for watching. Bye.